everyone. I know I'm a few days off, but life happens and maybe I'll explain what's been going on this past week later. But for today, I'm so excited because I have my one-time only Magic at Your Door Christmas box. I am so excited about this. We just got it and I wanted to open it up. Okay, I opened it. I haven't looked inside, but I opened it, and as soon as I did, it just pops right open. It is stuffed to the gills. So let's see what's in here. Let's open it up. Oh, I see bubble wrap right on top. More than a subscription, it's an experience. Okay, so we have the newsletter with all the pricing. I love that he puts the pricing guides in each one because those come in really handy. Okay, let's see what's first. There's a box in the top here. Okay. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Oh my. Okay. Okay, let's cut. It's bubble wrap, but there's also a piece of tape here. So let's cut the tape. Oh my. They are Mickey Mouse ornaments. And it also has a tree topper. And I don't have my Christmas tree up. I wanted to bring a Christmas tree and bring it in here, as a matter of fact. I think those are going to be perfect. Wow, I've never seen these. I didn't even know these were a thing. Oh, look at this. It's a Santa hat with Mickey ears. There is something in here. Let's take that out. I think this is going to be kind of big, but let's see. It adjusts. Oh, there we go. Not sure how it goes with purple hair, but I love this. Isn't this great? Let me get a closer view for you. Love, love, love that. Okay, let's see what was in the hat. Okay, I think I need my scissors back again. He does package things well. Well, I guess that he had help this holiday season. The curator Mike posted pictures of his daughter helping him. Okay. This is a Christmas ornament. I can see the back of it here. And it's Peter Pan and Tinkerbell. Okay, this probably will not be treated as a Christmas ornament. Oh, I love that. Oh, wow. I am seeing in here another set of ears. Oh my. These are beautiful. So should I wear the Santa hat? I think I'm going to leave the Santa hat on. These are gorgeous. I love these. This will look nice in my ear collection. There is still so much more in here. So let's keep going. Christmas antenna toppers. It's got a snowman Mickey, a Santa. Oh, okay. Let's try that again. It has a snowman Mickey and a Santa Mickey and a New Year's Mickey and a package Mickey. Oh, these are gonna, I don't think my car actually has an antenna, but I'm gonna have to find a place special for this. I need to decorate for Christmas in here, so. Okay, let's see what's next to pull out of here. Christmas coasters. Okay, I'm one of those people who unwraps presents really, really slowly too. Meet me under the mistletoe. Oh, so merry. These go beautifully with the ornaments. Happy Jolly Mary. This is my favorite. The magic of the season. Oh, love that. Love, love, love that. Those are gorgeous. I'm almost afraid to use them because I don't want to ruin them. Okay, still more in the box here. Oh my. No way. I have a bunch of aprons. I actually have 2 different Disney aprons. I love these, and this is actually a holiday one that I will get to wear on Christmas. Yes, isn't that gorgeous? Oh, and the pocket's even shaped like a heart. It's got the castle and Chip and Dale and Mickey and Minnie. Oh, and it does have Tinkerbell. Good job. Oh, I love this. This is perfect. I love this. Okay. Oh, socks. These are socks, but can you see it's in an ornament? And the ornament has ears. Oh my goodness. I love socks. Don't get me wrong, I love socks, but I almost like the ornament better than I like the socks. And they're the holiday socks. And they have Mickey ears and the snowflakes. Oh, I love those. Okay, I'm seeing 2 more items and the silver pouch. So, no idea what this is. There's no markings on it. Let me grab my scissors and open this up. Oh my. I unfortunately am not a Jack Skellington fan. I don't get it. But I live in a household full of Jack fans. So this is probably going to go back in the box and be regifted to either my husband or my daughter for Christmas because they will absolutely adore that. We actually had a Jack Skellington coffee cup fatality the other day. So they will love that. That is great. Picture on the back of it. And it has a picture. Oh, and it actually lights up. This is from Department 56. Love Department 56. So let's open this up. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is just too pretty. And it does light up. Let's see. Don't know if you're going to be able to see it lit up or not. Can you see that it's... Okay, there's one more thing, and it's the silver pouch. So let's see what's in here. Robin Hood. I love all Robin Hood films, not just Disney. I'm always fascinated by Robin Hood, so that's just a great pick for me. And there is still something else in here. Ooh, a pin. Oh, love this. This is going to go Magic at your door. I'll give you a close-up of that. Okay, and then one last thing, and it's all wrapped up well in tissue paper, so let's open it up and see what it is. And it's the Mickey keychain for Christmas. Whoops, let it untangle. It's right on the side and right on the side. That is so cool. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I know I got some wonderful, wonderful gifts, and they're really going to help decorate my house with a little Disney magic. That's, wow. Overwhelmed. Thank you so much, Magic at Your Door. I promise to be back on track for Vlogmas. It's just been, wow, it's just been a week. My daughter was playing Nerf ball. Now my daughter is an adult, she is 21. She was playing Nerf ball, Nerf gun, Nerf whatever, with my other daughter and their boyfriends and caught the Nerf ball right in her eye and cut her cornea. So it's been a week. She actually had to have a Band-Aid put on her cornea. So we have been to the ophthalmologist office several times. We've been putting drops in her eyes, and it is now 95% healed. So, and he thinks that it's going to heal 100% and it will not affect her vision, which we are very, very thankful for. But it's been a stressful week. So we are back on track now. I hope to get the videos up every day from now on. As you can see, I am now in my she shed. I did get that done, or what you can see of it done. We're just beginning to move all my stuff in here. We're gonna have some crafting videos this week. The last crafting video that I did, the last two, have gotten a really good response. I have a few more Christmas Disney gift idea projects that I want to share with you all. This week I ordered some supplies and they finally came in, so I want to share them all with you this coming week. So I will be sure to put up that content. Promise, I am back on track. If you liked this video and want to see more unboxings and more crafting videos, please hit that subscribe button below. I want to thank each and every one of you, whether you're subscribed or just visiting. Thank you so much for the time that you spend watching my videos. It means so much to me. It really, really does. Until next time, go out there and do something great and have a magical day. Bye.